So this is just to help you know how you can do the markup for the analysis of your passage using the Google Doc form that is in your assignment. So you go in that assignment, you're going to double click on the template for the analysis, and you will get something that looks like this that has the instructions, and then you place for your notes and comments after you've done the analysis of your passage. So you may go to BibleGateway.com and we're going to look up Daniel 2, 1 to 10. And you can pick which version you want. I happen to have the New International Version. You can pick a variety of versions. And so sometimes it's good to, when you're doing analysis, to look at several versions, but you're just going to pick one to copy and paste. And then you're going to hit the search. And you can see here now that the passage has come up. And so you can highlight that passage. You can get the footnotes too. And then you're going to copy. I copy by doing hold down the control button and the C. And then you're going to go back over to your Bible passage or to your Google Docs sheet and you can paste. There's two, you can either do Control V as in Victor, or you can go up to Edit and you can do Paste. All right, come on. Okay, so you can change the size if you want to make this bigger. You can change the size of your, maybe just make it a little bigger just so we can see it easier. Maybe we'll make it, that's probably too big. We'll make it 16. All right. So whatever you want to do. So the assignment is that you're supposed to do the analysis of the passage using your observation, who, what, when, where, why. And then you will, the next assignment, you'll come up with your questions. We want you to use at least two colors and two symbols. So, for example, maybe one color you will use for names. So we have Nebuchadnezzar here, and maybe we're going to use, you can use highlight color. So maybe you can use yellow, or you could so let's use yellow for people, magicians, enchanters, and sorcerers. So we're going to use yellow for those. Oops, and astrologers. Don't want to forget them. So maybe, and then, so you can keep on with that in your passage. And then maybe for time, the second year of his reign, we will do blue for that one. Um, okay, so you can go through and look for articles of time. So you can do the colors that way. So so if you want to highlight, let's say dreams, that's going to be a major point. So let's just say we go here to A, and we're going to make that green. So anything related to dream is going to be we're going to change the color to the letters to green. Okay, we also say insert symbols. So here's the word dream again. So we would go up to and do that. Okay. So if you wanted to use symbols, you go to insert. Well, let's say, where do we want to? So let's say we want to put a symbol by the word king. Every time we see the word king, we want to highlight that. You go to insert, special characters, and it brings up this box. So then you can pick, okay, what do I want to highlight for king? So let's say I want to use this symbol for king. So you just click on that like that. And then you've got your symbol with king. So then you can just highlight that and copy it every time you see the word king, and you can just put that by that word. Okay? So you can see some things like that. So here's the word like interpret. So you go through like that and ask those observation questions and begin to highlight your passage to bring those out. Then once you have that all done, then you're going to go down here to your notes and comments, and you're just going to kind of make a list of those keywords, lists, contrasts, comparisons, expressions of time. So for example, like on the one that was prepared for you ahead of time. So she did all of the contrasts and things. And then she went down here and then in notes and comments, keywords and phrases, and then the names of people. She could just kind of put them all in one place, names of places, repetitive words, those kinds of things to be there. And before she begins to write the observation questions. So hopefully that will help you as you begin to mark up your passage. Once your passage is you've done all that, then you can submit. You can click on done, and then that document will be ready. If you've done printed off the document and done it, marked it up off the computer, then just take a photo of it and then upload it to the assignment. All right. Hope that helps. Happy analysis.